Today I am in Midstream Reach Estate, located on a corner close to the gate. Something special. I need to warn you, this property needs some renovation. We're looking at the property with an under roof coverage of plus minus 750 square meters under roof. The land covers 1,000 square meter. It is 5 bedrooms, all ensuite in total. Staff accommodation, a cinema room that need to be completed, a gym room, open plan living areas, beautiful luxury finishes, all high 2.4 meter doors, and will go in the market for only 9.5 million. Let me show you this beautiful property inside. As we enter, you'll notice on my background there was 3 garages with 1 solid door. A beautiful water feature at your front door, and then also luxury entrance. You got a private lounge as you enter. All is these double volume bulkheads, air conditioning, and like I mentioned, luxury finishes throughout the property. You do have a private secure area that's you're not entering the house and just see the full house. So as you enter, you can see a bit of the house, but when you move into this area, the whole house opens up. Coming up to this room, I'm not going to show the room inside. It still needs to be completed. That is your cinema room. So it's enough space, about 4 by 8 square meter. So definitely 4 by 8 meters. So definitely something to consider and to utilize. So if you buy this house, you basically buying a project, and with this at the price, sellers looking at a bit of an offer. So yeah, contact me. We got a beautiful open lounge, TV room area, air cons, bulkheads, all natural light coming in. And my backside is north, facing north. So you've got all this big sliding doors opening up onto the pool, entertainment, Boma area, braai outside, small bar, and then, like I mentioned, ample space. And this modern, clinical look, lines, straight architect designed property. So as I mentioned before, you got 5 bedrooms, your first bedroom on this side, and then 4 bedrooms upstairs with a private lounge, gym room, and ample space you're looking for. Jacuzzi in the middle, and also while you're entertaining, you can, or while you're in the pool entertainment area, you can see the full house from this area on this side. Let's look at your braai. Like I mentioned, there's a bar area, and then also a Boma and this open decking area. You're on a corner stand, so this makes it ideal for privacy. And your sunrise on this side, that is on the east, and full day you got natural sun, and to maximize natural light also in your property. Let's look at the kitchen area. Beautiful open space. Even this windows can open up, especially in summertime. Can do from this side all from that side to this side. So all natural air coming in, and a beautiful entertainer's kitchen. Gas, induction, SMEC appliances, and even your warm drawer that is installed. Ample cupboard space, drawers, anything you're looking for. Beautiful showcase on this side of the property. Your scullery located on this side. As we enter, you got space here for a fridge. This side, there's a point for a walk-in fridge to be enclosed on this side. Space for all your appliances and even a walk-in pantry. You got all the natural light, and then entering from your 3 garages, extra length, extra height, and then beautiful space coming from your garage. These doors, windows also open up for all natural light coming in. Your staff accommodation also on this side, that can become your bedroom number 6 ensuite. Let's look upstairs. While we're coming to this side, you'll notice these big double volume with the frameless glass, and also as we enter, walking towards the staircase, there's also these frameless floating staircase. As I mentioned, you're in a luxury property. There's a bit of work to be done. Ample space. If you're looking for quality, good, solid structure, this property is the property for you. On this level, we do have the private lounge area, air conditioning, a gym room behind me, 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms, all ensuite, and all the doors is these 2.4 meter size doors. This can be easily utilized as a gym room. Air conditioning points is already fitted. One of the first bedrooms upstairs. Beautiful with vanity space, built-in cupboards, air conditioning. This one do have a shower, basin, and a toilet. Let's look at the other bedrooms. Today is not a sunny, there's a bit overcast, but still you can notice how many natural light is coming inside the property. This bedroom also ensuite. Look at the size on this property. Nice east, northeastern corner, window, air conditioning, and look at the size on this bedroom. Also an ensuite with a shower, a basin, and toilet. As we're coming to this living area, you'll notice the double volume that I've mentioned a bit earlier, and the natural light that also coming in from the top side at small windows, sliding doors that's opening up onto the small balcony here. Then one of these rooms on this side, also ensuite, nice size, full bathroom, shower, basin, and toilet. Gibbered toilets, soft closers, loose standing bath, and a frameless shower. Then this one do have another little smaller room that can be utilized as a study or even a prayer room because it's facing to the east. Eastern window and a small study, or like I mentioned, prayer room. Let's look at the main. Something spectacular. Here you got enough space, air cons, even space to put your own lounge suite on this side, your own private balcony, sliding doors going out, all natural lights. Then a loose standing bath. An open bathroom, a walk-in shower, that's also private. And then, as I mentioned, a full open dresser with all this natural light coming in with the skylight on top, and your private showcase for your watches, your jewelry, everything in the middle. Yeah, so if I can summarize, we do have a property here of about 750 square meters on a roof. There's a bit of work to be done, and this property is going in the market for 9.5 million. The seller will look at a bit of an offer. They are aware of the small touch-up and works that need to be done and things that you want to upgrade. And then you got three garages, ample parking space in front, open plan living area, 5 bedrooms in total, staff accommodation, and a solid, big, extra large structure that's ready for you in the near future to start your dream home coming true.